Hi students, in this session we will learn what code.org is and eventually dive into the world of coding. So basically this is the platform where you have to get into. Click on the code.org activities for all ages, and now basically it is a platform where it encourages people, particularly students, to learn computer science through introducing the concept of coding. Coding here is taught through a block-based visual programming. As you can see, this is the main page of the code.org website. Here, you can explore yourself and create different kinds of projects. As you can see, here is the create option where you can create different projects using different labs, such as the Sprite Lab helps you to create various projects where you use characters. The Artist Lab enables you to draw different patterns using different codes. The App and the Game Lab use different codes to make different kinds of apps and games which are animated. And the Dance Party Lab enables you to create dance parties using various kinds of effects. We shall explore each of them in detail in the further sessions. For today's session, we will learn to create a new project using the Sprite Lab. So we shall click on the Sprite Lab. So this is the main page of the project creating section. Now we will just understand the different sections on this page. As you can see, a major part of the screen is occupied by a white canvas called the workspace. Now, this is called the scripting section, and left to it is a grey colored portion where different words such as world, sprite, locations, actions, events, behaviors, loops, variables, math, logic, functions, text, commands are there. All these words are called categories, and if you have observed, each category has got blocks, and these blocks give instructions or commands. So this section is called the instruction section, and left to it is also a small white canvas which will help you feature the results of the script you have made. This section is called the visualizing section, enabling you to see whatever you code. Now, we shall understand how this works. For example, I shall click on the sprites category, and this is the block which says make new a purple colored character which is called a sprite at 200, 200. I should have to drag this and assemble it in the workspace. Now, the assembling of these blocks in the workspace is called scripting, and this blocks is called script. That is the reason the workspace is called the scripting section. Now, as you see, it says that or instructs saying that this sprite or character which is purple in color should be at the coordinates x equals to 200 and y equals to 200. Now, in the visualizing section, if you observe, it is exactly at x equals to 200 and y equals to 200. Thus, is the visualization section enabling you to see whatever you script in the scripting section. If you observe, there is also a button in orange color called Run. This button helps you to compile the script which you have done in the workspace. It allows you to run the code, and again you can click on Reset to come back to initial code. So this is the basic understanding of the project page on code.org. I hope you are now familiar with the platform. We shall learn further in the next sessions. Thank you very much.